and this is a continuation of the euploidy only. Okay, so I told you in the last video that is half number of the haploid is called monoploidy. Okay, and this monoploidy occur only in the polyploid conditions. Polyploidy means the organism which possesses the more than one set of chromosomes, that is more than three set of conditions is called polyploidy. Okay, in that condition you can appreciate the monoploidy. All monoploidy can be the haploids, but all haploids cannot be the monoploid. So this is about the introduction to the euploidy. So I will explain about what is the polyploidy now. Okay, polyploidy is that is organism which possesses the more than two set of chromosomes is called the polyploidy. If the organism which is present with the that is 3 X chromosomes, that is 3 is there 3N, that is in the 3N condition, that is called triploidy, or if the organism which possesses with the 4 is called tetraploidy, and the organism which is present with the pentaploidy, and organism is present with the hexaploidy, and so on. So this is called a polyploidy. So this polyploidy mostly takes place in the plants only, not in the animals. Very rare in the animals, but more common in the plants. By increasing the numbers of the ploidy, that is chromosomes numbers is increased as an hexaploids, haptoploidy and pentaploidy and tetraploidy, everything is there. Okay, so based on this, the increasing number of the ploidy will make the origin of new species of the plant. It will make the origin or the new organism is takes place. That is origin of new species of plant takes place. Okay, and also by increasing of the ploidy number, it causes the lethal to the organism. Lethality means death to the organism. So increasing number of the ploidy level will increase. Sometimes it causes the lethality, and also it causes the generation or the origin of new species of the plants. Okay, this is about your polyploidy introduction. This polyploidy, again you will be having here types. So in this polyploidy, if you are taking this polyploidy, you will be having two types is there. Okay, this polyploidy you will be having in this polyploidy you will be having two types is there. That is autoploidy, that is autotriploidy and autotetraploidy. Okay, what is that? This polyploidy have the two types, that is autotriploidy and autotetraploidy. This autotriploidy, that is nothing but this autotriploidy means an organism which possesses the more than two set of organism is called more than two set of organism within the same species. அதாவது இப்போ ஒரு tiger ஒரு plant இருக்கு, hibiscus plantல you know that red color flower is there, white is there, yellow is there, right? So these kind of varieties of these, so many varieties of hibiscus plants is there. In that hibiscus plant species, you will be appreciating the some red color variety of the hibiscus will have 3 chromosomes, some will have the 4 chromosomes, so some will have the 5 chromosomes. So depending upon that, it is the more than 2 set of chromosome is present in this organism is autotriploidy. This autotriploidy we can make artificially by crossing of diploidy and autotetraploidy. That I will solve you in the next video. Okay, next video la na ungalku eppadi solve pandrathu I will show you as in the flow chart. Okay, so this autotriploidy is we can make or artificially by the crossing of this autotetraploidy as well as the diploidy. We will be getting the autotriploidy. Okay, an example of this autotriploidy we can make the banana. That artificial banana does not have the seed, but it is because does not have the seed, and it is having a large flesh size. Flesh will be more in that when compared to the normal natural banana. This artificial banana have the more flesh, and if you are taking the sugar beet of the fruit of this autotriploidy will have the more sugar content, and when compared to the diploid, if you are taking this diploid kind of fruits will have the sugar content more than that. This autotriploid have the more sugar content, and also you will be having the sugar content. Along with this, it is always resistant to the molds. What is called molds? The fungi will not give the mold is nothing but it is a fungi microorganisms. That microorganism easily affects the fruits. Okay, but these kind of artificial human made man made fruits does not get affected during the autotryploid, which is not get spoiled by the molds. Okay, so this is about your autotryploidy. And coming to the autotetraploidy. Autotetraploidy is nothing but this autotetraploidy is we can make this autotetraploidy by doubling of diploidy. You think it is doubling of diploidy. 2n into 2n, you will definitely be getting the that is 4x. That is 4x will be, that is 4 diploid tetraploidy you will be getting. Autotetraploidy examples and all I will say like groundnut and this tomato, potato, coffee plant. These kind of plants will comes under in the autotetraploidy. So this is about your autotryploidy and autotetraploidy. Okay. Next I am coming to the alloploidy. Okay. What is alloploidy? Under the autoploidy only you will be having the polyploidy generally classified into a autoploidy. That is polyploidy is divided into autoploidy and alloploidy. Autoploidy means organism which possesses the more than two set of chromosomes is called the two or more than two set of chromosomes in the same species. Within the same species is called autoploidy, which is having the autotetraploidy, triploidy. That's what I explained to now. Next I am coming to the alloploidy. What is called alloploidy? Alloploidy same thing only. That is the organism which possesses the more than two or the three set of chromosomes is called alloploidy. More than three set of chromosomes in the different species is called alloploidy. This alloploidy we can develop by interspecific cross. Interspecific cross means we can cross the Pisum sativum. Example I am telling. Pisum sativum plant along with the Pisum sativum plant and hibiscus plant. Both are same species, both are the different species. That is, this is flowering plant, that is leguminous plant. Okay, so these two species are crossed, so that called alloploidy. That is the organism which possesses the more than three set of chromosome in the different species. We can develop this allopolyploidy. This allopolyploidy also is this thing. Okay, this is about your allopolyploidy. Okay, next. That's all about your allopolyploidy.